Guys, guess what? Notice anything different? Besides the red lipstick, my braces are off. Oh my god, look. We're gonna be doing something that's super trendy right now, especially on Instagram. I'm just gonna post a couple of photos here, and it is hype right now. The jiggly, the Japanese, the Japanese are so into the whole jiggly cake thing. Might as well replicate that, and we're gonna make my own version of the jiggly pancake mix. This is gonna be super exciting, gonna be super jiggly, and guys, I just cannot stop looking at my teeth. I'm just looking at the rearview mirror and I'm like, yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Let's make some fluffy pancakes, shall we? Look how jiggly. I cannot get over how jiggly it is. It's soft like a souffle, airy, light. It's marvelous. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like food like this, or well, just me. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing more trendy food items, and this was something I was so excited to try. Definitely gonna make these again. They're very cakey and fluffy. I can't believe I never made these before. These are great. Catch you guys later. Smile.